We're going to do this set of bowls here and in the electrolysis bucket tonight, so that way I can take them out tomorrow. They're covered with rust, barely open, barely closed. I mean, that's the maximum right there. So I'm going to put them in there tonight, take them out sometime tomorrow. Already good in there. Gonna put my detergent. There's pretty good measurements you're supposed to use, but I just wing it. Handyman dandy rod. Get mixed around real good. Alright, we're all mixed. You take them. Hang them out. I want them to go a little bit deeper. That should get them where I want them. Right where I want them. Negative always goes to the tool. Positive always goes to my bucket. I don't like that spot in the bucket. I'm going to go to this spot in the bucket. Alright, now I'm going to go down here where you guys can't see. I'm going to plug it in. Battery charger is now activated. It's going to start bubbling. And they'll be in there for 24 hours-ish. And it's going to start going at it. We'll take them out sometime tomorrow. Alright, so yesterday you all saw how these pliers actually went into the electrolysis bucket, so let's see how they come out. First thing you do, safety-wise, always unplug it. Remove the positive, remove the negative. Battery charger's off, no juice. Get our pliers set out. And they're already looking a lot better than they were beforehand. I'll get a picture of them up close so you guys can have that added to the video. But that's how they look right now. So we pulled these out of the electrolysis bucket. We're going to give them a quick wipe down, see, get some more of this grime off. It looks like the original color might have been blue. They move a little bit better now, but that'll come with some lubrication later. There is a brand name on them as well. But let's give them a scrub with the brushes, see where we end up. Yeah, they were definitely blue at one point. All that paint is gone, but they're blue. You can already see just from the regular scrubbing, they're already starting to come back around. That's about all the brushing we're going to give them, but they're already back down to looking pretty good. Whoever painted them, that blue paint obviously wasn't factory because it's coming off really easy. But we'll get them moved over to the wire wheel and then get them lubricated and see if they're going to open and close what they're supposed to.
No, ma'am.